So my name is Istvan Mixtai.
My name is Sean Moore, and we have been representing MENSPIRE Education today. We opened the show at the HAIRFEST on day 2. Amazing experience, incredible.
It was an incredible experience for me as well for the first time in here. That was my very first time and first time on the stage. It was a real pleasure to share this with you. And yeah, what can I say? This is a huge event, the biggest one in Europe, and it was absolute lifetime memorable experience.
Now tell me about the people, tell me about the inspiration of your presentation.
Sure. So we presented 2 models today, and really the whole theme was based around equality. It was about project equality because we had 2 models, but they had a similar style, and it was really based around these textured fringes, these androgynous hairstyles that can be worn on men and women, and it looked great. It was really good.
For me, I would like to just show another point of view because we were working together 3 weeks ago. And I think our inspiration and taste and vision is quite similar. It's quite similar. So what MENSPIRE does is just pulling people together who has the same vision and the same image and just creating something brilliant.
And the result was amazing, so we passed the whole source of your inspiration, I think. So now that you told me all this stuff, I would like to to give us a message to all the members of Hairdressing News that couldn't be here today.
Wow.
Tough one.
No, it's easy. Believe in yourself. I know it's a cliche, but do it. Believe in yourself, and doesn't matter what you want to achieve, you can, because you have all of the possibilities. You just have to make the move, and that's it. That's the thing. If you really want it, you can have it. Thank you.